Ball squeeze wheel replacement tutorial video. Required tools: crosshead screwdriver. Note: please securely store all removed screws and parts. 1. Holding the head of the ball serving machine, unscrew the 4 screws on the head housing and remove the housing. 2. Unscrew the squeezing wheel fixing screws and washer and remove the squeezing wheel in the axial direction. 3. Install the new squeezing wheel on the squeezing motor shaft with the convex side facing out. 4. Finally, install the head housing and tighten the screws.